Hi, I'm Keith Edwards, Product Manager at Smart USA, and I'd like to show you how to get the most out of your smart driving experience. With its rear-mounted engine, short overhangs, and minimal overall length, the Smart Fortwo has highly dynamic handling characteristics. It's very maneuverable, with an extremely short 22.8-foot turning circle, and its low-mounted engine and wide stance help the Smart Fortwo hug the road. The optional Sport package fits firmer springs and lowers the car about a ½ inch, giving the Smart Fortwo even more responsive handling. Of course, the Smart Fortwo was also designed for efficiency, starting with its strong but lightweight body and its state-of-the-art turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. This aluminum alloy engine produces 89 horsepower and, more importantly, 100 pound-feet of torque at just 2,500 RPM. That means ample pulling power is available right off the line. An electronically controlled turbocharger wastegate plus variable intake valves give the engine both responsive power and excellent fuel economy. The Smart Fortwo is available with a 5-speed manual transmission or a new 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Standard Hill Start Assist helps you start out on a hill without fear of rolling backward by briefly holding the vehicle after you've removed your foot from the brake pedal. Spend some time with this system and you'll gain more confidence on uphill starts. Whether your Smart Fortwo is equipped with a manual or automatic transmission, you'll see shift recommendations shown in the multifunction display. These upshift and downshift recommendations can help you drive more efficiently. The new dual-clutch automatic transmission offers several driving modes, which are also shown in the same display: E for optimal efficiency and comfort, or S for sporty dynamic driving. The transmission defaults to the E Comfort mode every time you start the engine, but you can change the drive program by pressing this button next to the gear selector. You can also shift the DCT manually by either using the gear selector or with paddle shifters. With the transmission and drive in either mode selected, simply use the paddle shifters to temporarily upshift or downshift. The right paddle shifter is for upshifting and the left paddle is for downshifting. The transmission will return to automatic mode after driving conditions are steady for a period of time. To stay in manual mode, move the transmission selector to the left, towards you. In this position, you can then use either the paddle shifters or the transmission selector, push it forward to upshift and back to downshift. The multifunction display will indicate which mode you're in and which gear you selected, making it easier for you to keep your eyes on the road. Standard cruise control operates in the conventional manner, with an on-off switch on the left and a cancel switch below it. To set a cruising speed, turn the cruise control on and then press and release the Set Plus switch on the right side. You can adjust the set speed up or down with that same switch. The switch below it is for resuming a set speed. Two new features on the Smart Fortwo add safety and convenience. The available forward collision warning system uses radar to measure the distance between your car and the car ahead. If it detects a fast closing speed, as when the car ahead suddenly applies the brakes, the system issues both a visual and an audible warning, giving you time to either apply the brakes or take evasive action. A new standard feature is crosswind assist. Because of the tall stance of the Smart Fortwo, it can be susceptible to crosswinds. This new feature uses the electronic stability program to reduce the effects of crosswinds by applying individual braking pressure, which helps the Smart Fortwo stay in its lane. Crosswind assist is automatically active at speeds above about 45 miles per hour when driving straight or on gentle curves. All of these features add to the enjoyment of driving a new Smart Fortwo. Be sure to read the owner's manual to find out more so you can make the most of your driving experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for more how-to videos covering additional features of the new Smart Fortwo.